Hi everyone, join me as I do my makeup. First off, I'll start by prepping my face. I'll be dropping the link to the full video on the description of this video. Just enjoy this video. Yeah. Remember to always blend your foundation, blend whatever it is you're applying on your face. Always blend very well. This makeup is just a simple outdoor event, so I didn't want to do too much. Just wanted something simple and classy, so I decided to film it so that I will share with you. Also do well to subscribe, like, share and comments. So usually I have two methods of applying my makeup. Sometimes I go first with my eyebrow. I start from my eyebrow. Other times I do my brows when I'm done with my foundation and my powder. So the other video, the longer version of this video, has full description of the step-by-step procedure. So this is me lining my eye. I'm going with my mascara. Then I go ahead to dust off my face and apply some blush and some bronzer to pop out the face. Yeah, it's actually beautiful. And I go ahead to line my lip. I always like to line my lip before I apply my lipstick. And I like to use a brush to apply my lipstick. This is what we have. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Yeah. This is beautiful. If you want to see more of these, do it to subscribe and hit the notification button so that whenever I post a video you would know. I also do well to comment and rate my makeup. Thank you. See you soon.